Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition. I'm cooking again. I'm your man Ken. Here we go. Sunday dinner time. Something fun, as we always do. Something simple. We're doing cherry cola barbecue chicken. Cherry cola rub barbecue chicken. Okay? And barbecue, we're gonna put char on there. Like we like it a little charred up, a little black. So I'm going with the charcoal. I'm going with the mini drum charcoal this time. I'm not using the pellet grill because I want that char. Okay, cooks? And that's fine. And a little chicken rub, cherry cola rub. Okay, cooks, we're gonna do, you know the rule of this channel. First thing we're gonna do today, brine. It's gonna change your chicken life. I'm telling you, change your chicken life, your pork life. Don't worry about steaks. Chicken and pork, it's gonna change your life in cooking. Come on, cooks. Stay with your man. It's gonna be easy, okay? Cut this up, clean it up. I'm gonna tell you about the brine. I'm not gonna show you the brine. You know the brine, but I'm gonna tell you what to do. Half cup salt, gallon of water. Okay, cooks? Put it in your bowl, put it in your dish, put it where you want. Okay, cooks? When you see me again, I'm gonna brine this for about an hour. That's it, okay? Hour in the brine, we're gonna come back, we're gonna season it up, get it out there on the grill, and have a good time. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we're back. Like I said, barbecue chicken. We're gonna do it easy. Canola spray, y'all. You can use Pam, Lucille, or Gretchen if you like. Okay, doesn't matter the name, as long as it's spray. Okay, and this is gonna help your skin get that nice crisp to it too. Okay, hit it up. And this is your binder. Okay, don't worry about drying. If it's dry, you can dry it if you want, but it's gonna spray it, get it wet again. So I don't know why. Okay, all right, we're gonna start off a little chicken rub. Okay, a little bit of chicken rub. Get it on there nicely. Okay, a little chicken rub in the game. Okay, let's get it. Okay, here we go. Cherry cola, y'all. New rub for me. Seen it at Walmart. Okay, cooks? Cherry cola. Mostly for chicken and pork. We're gonna get it on there nice. Nice coating. So we got the chicken rub and a little cherry cola on there. Should be fun and delicious. All right. All right, we got this on here. Get this off. Okay, cooks, we're gonna let this rub sweat a little bit because it's tired. Let it sweat 15 minutes. After that, we're going to the grill. I'm gonna let this sweat, get outside, fight my little smoker drum. We're gonna be ready. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. We're out here, the Brinkman Smoky Joe. I've had this thing, this is my second one. Had this thing for years. Great charcoal mini smoker. Okay, but we're doing charcoal. I'm one step above. I have the charcoal one layer down. Okay, so I'm not cooking direct, kind of indirect, but you know, not direct. Okay, we'll do that later when we get ready. Let's get this chicken on here, y'all. All right, we're gonna do the thigh game. You know, thigh game strong. Thigh game strong, y'all. Come on. I know I'm blocking this. I know I'm blocking this out, y'all. You know how this channel is. Let's get it on there. Let's get it in there. Cherry cola chicken, y'all. Y'all know about no cherry cola chickens? I didn't know until last week. I just picked it up. Cherry cola chicken, y'all. Get it. Ooh, it's smoky. Get it smoky out here, y'all. There's big breasts on here. Big breasts in the middle. Big breasts is, now if you like big breasts, that's a thigh, y'all, by the way. If you like that, that's your business. This ain't that. This is not that channel. But, you know, to each his own. Okay, cooks, to each his own. Okay, we're gonna get down on. We're gonna get down. Cook this right here. We're gonna spread it out a little bit, okay? It's gonna be 2 batches anyway, so I don't know why I'm loading this up so much. Give it some space, okay? Let it breathe a minute. Let it breathe a minute. Okay, then we'll drum it over there. We're gonna set it out and get some smoke in it. Just like the same smoke that's in my eyes. Okay, cooks? Got it on him. It's gonna be good. Like I said, we're gonna get temperature up. 170. I do 170, 175. I don't do 160. 170, 175. Get this chicken right. Matter of fact, one more for cool. All right, got a little space. I hate to see empty space. Get that on there. We're gonna get it ready. Once it gets, the temperature gets high. Never mind that, y'all. This is an urban area. Okay, cooks. Get it to 170. Well, when you get to 150, I'm gonna drop this grill down to the charcoal, and I'm gonna flambe it. Flambe. I'm gonna flambe it. We're gonna get some char on that thing, man. Stay with your man. Subscribe to the channel. Like the channel. Like the video. Share the video. Hit that notification bell, whatever that means. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. Look at this thing, y'all. Hashtag delicious. Hashtag stop playing. Hashtag share the video. How about that, y'all? Come on, cooks. Come on, cooks. Look at this. Look at this thing right here. I'm gonna let that go. I'm gonna leave the top off. I want heat. I want heat. I'm looking for heat, y'all. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. Okay, cooks. We're at the end. This chicken, cherry Coca-Cola chicken, is crazy, y'all. Let me take a bite. Delicious. Of course. Grind that chicken. Get the chicken together. Come on, cooks. Stay with your man. That's delicious. I can't stop too. I'm out of control. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share the video. Your man's doing all kind of stuff, man. Have fun cooking, cooks. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again.